Hey, I bet you didn't know you could do this.
Imagine your manager asks you if you don't know the answer to. You check your reports, but the report hasn't been generated as yet. Imagine if you could speak directly to your database. Check this out. Here we have our database with all our business information, but this isn't very useful to someone who isn't a data analyst. All we have to do to get answers is head over to our AI data analyst. Okay, so now we'll head into the FloPro AI data analyst and we'll ask it a question in natural text. So for example, which customer has the most orders? And now you'll see the assistant is thinking as it generates the query for the database. And it'll just show you, and you can approve and run this. And then now the system will get the information and then format it and provide it in a suitable response. So the customer with the most orders is Save-A-Lot Markets and has a total of 31 orders. So now we can ask a follow-up question. For example, what's the dollar value of these 31 orders? And again, that system will think, generate the query for the database, and then we can approve it, execute it, and the system will format this response for us. So the total dollar value of the 31 orders is $4,361. And now this assistant is also capable of generating charts. So for example, for the full company, say if we want a bar chart showing the total revenue year over year, we can just simply ask the assistant, it will generate the query for the database. And then if you wanted to change it, for example, you could edit it, but more than likely you just approve and run. And the system will now get this information from the database and actually construct this chart for you. So here we'll see the total revenue year over year for these years, and it's plotted nicely on a bar chart showing 208,000 in 1996, 617,000 in 1997, and 440,000 in 1998.
If you have tedious processes which have become bottlenecks in your company, we can reduce these tasks from days and hours to potentially minutes or seconds. Check us out at FloProJA.com, and never forget, don't move in slow-mo, call FloPro.